Hey, don't overlook your footer. Here's how to design one that actually works for your business inside of MorePro. MorePro is a software that's helped countless service and rental-based businesses make hundreds of thousands of dollars already. And that's why I use it for my own personal business. My name's Tony, I'm your business ally. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to get inside the MorePro software and design a footer for our front-facing website. A well-designed footer helps customers find key info fast. Things like contact details, policies, and links, boosting trust and navigation. So if you're ready to learn, let's dive in. All right, so we've logged into our MorePro software and we're talking about how do we set up and design our footer for our front-facing website. Where do we need to go? So for the first thing we need to do is go up to the marketing tab, click down on that, and go to Manage Design. On the Manage Design page, you'll see a bunch of tabs, and we need to go to the Footer tab. And this is where we're gonna be able to fill out the information and pick the design of our footer, how we want it to look, all right? So the first couple of things I wanna go over is the footer background color, the footer font color, which is any fonts or any words that are not links, the social icons color, which is the social media icons, what color are they gonna be? And then any other text that are actual links to pages, either on your website or other places, what color are those things gonna be? And then the organization of that information in rows. And we have an option here of 4, 3, or 2. Right now it's set to 3. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. So on your front-facing website, this is what our footer looks like. It's at the bottom of your page. And these are all the elements that I was talking about. So we obviously chose the background color, which is black. These are the main font colors, white. And you can see that the white font for anything that's not a link is also set up there. And then all these texts that are links are that color that we selected, which is that light blue. And then as you can see, this is organized in the 3 rows that we talked about. Going back inside of MorePro, this is where we design and choose what actually shows up on our footer. So first thing we have is to show our social icons, any social media that you have linked to your website. Do you want that to show up as an icon? And if you do, then that will show up anywhere. So we have a YouTube icon right here. That's what that would look like, right? And that's also down here as well. If you had an Instagram, it would be the same thing. We have our footer warehouse location. Do you want to show your warehouse location? And that is what this would look like right here. So warehouse locations, you click that and it would show you the actual address. The footer custom links, that shows up right here under resources. And custom links meaning links to channels or other websites outside of this actual website for your business. So think about, like, for us, we have Rental Boys YouTube channel, the Rent More Pro YouTube channel. Those are linked here, as you can see on our demo page. Things like that. If you had content creation that you were doing, or maybe you want to take people to another website, this is where that would go under the resources. Show footer company hours, yes or no. That's going to show up here, hours of operation. Show footer service areas. Right now it's selected to no. What that would do is show another section that says you service the Dallas area, service the LA area, okay? Show footer company contact details. Yes or no, do you want to show your contact details? All of that's right here. How can we get contacts? Show footer company items, okay? The company items, as you can see under the company header, that would be separate links to all the different pages on your actual website. Show footer policies. Do you want links to your actual terms of use, your refund policy, your privacy notice, all those policies? That's right here. That's what that would look like if you hit yes on that. And there's other videos that we will make that will discuss how to actually add those links. And then payment options. Do you want to show what payment options, what types of payments you accept? If you hit yes on that one on the design, it's going to show up looking something like this, where it shows a graphic of all those different ways that you take payments. All right, scrolling down, the last couple things you'll see on the footer page is if you had hit yes on the show footer payment options, you can actually change what that actual text box or what that header, what that section in your footer says. So maybe you wanted this to say payment options or ways to book now, something like that. And then you could change the name there. And then you actually have the option here at the bottom to create a custom box, a custom section for your footer. You could name the custom footer box right here. So let's call it maybe types of events. And then you would put in the text or the options, the list of things that would be in that custom text box. So maybe you want to say, hey, types of events, these are the types of things we cover. We're a party rental business and we cover weddings and birthdays. And so what that would look like on the front facing, oh, let me hit update. So that's what it would look like, this types of events. That's our custom box, and that's what it would look like on that side. But once you filled out all that information, go ahead and hit update design, and you are now good to go. You have officially designed and set up the footer for your website. All right, so to recap really quickly, we got inside the More Pro software, we went to the marketing page, and we went down to the manage design tab. From there, we clicked on the tab that said footer, and we were able to fill out all that information to help us figure out the design and function of our footer on our website. With this feature now completed, you can be rest assured that you've set up an efficient footer that's gonna help customers find key info fast. So hopefully you're feeling up to it. So go ahead, log into More Pro and set up your footer right now. And don't worry if you get lost or confused along the way, you can reach out to this email below to get help at any time. I'm so glad that I could highlight this feature for you today. Please subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any of our new videos, but to also ensure that you're getting the most out of the More Pro experience. Until next time, I'll see you later.